Drivin Ivan here with the Chrysler Halcyon. Basically a super efficient electric vehicle that is supposed to deliver 60% less of a carbon footprint than current lithium-ion batteries. It's got a pretty cool interior inside. Let's go see it. And there you go. Wow, wow, wow. You could smell it actually from here. It's got that new car smell in a weird sort of laboratory sort of way, I would call it. But it's pretty cool. I think it looks better with the doors closed. So I'll swing you around that direction again. But again, the Chrysler Halcyon. And they're showcasing it here at the Amelia at the Ritz-Carlton. Lot of cool cars this weekend. Search Amelia and Drivin Ivan and I'll show you everything there is to see. Smash that like button to subscribe. Tell me what you think of this in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.